Call recorder apps are easy to come by nowadays, but finding ones that are reliable and offer great playback quality can be tough. Explore our list in comparison of the most popular call recorder apps for Android to select the best phone call recording app. Cube-ACR is an app that allows you to manually or automatically record calls. It's only available for Android phones, but it's fairly advanced and compatible with not only your built-in phone app but also third-party apps like Skype and WhatsApp. You can even customize which contacts you want to auto-record at no cost. The big downside of the Cube Call Recorder app is that storage is only available in the app on your device with the free version. To back up your audio files, whether it's on Google Drive, Dropbox, or SD card, you must upgrade for a hidden cost. You also need to go premium to safeguard your sensitive files with a PIN code, whereas platforms like OpenPhone have logins built in. Automatic Call Recorder. The Automatic Call Recorder app has a pretty dated interface, but it's still one of the best call recorder apps because it does offer customizable auto-record features at no cost. Once your recordings are saved on your device storage, you can add custom notes on the app to make your call log easy to search through. You can also sync with Dropbox and Google Drive to save yourself some personal storage space. There's also an Automatic Call Recorder Pro version of the app, which is a separate app with a one-time $8.49 cost, but the upgrade makes little to no difference for call recording. Both apps are only on Google Play. Bear in mind that the app developers state in the app description that call quality may be poor on certain devices. Google has added call recording to the phone app on select Android devices in select areas. You can set it to be activated by default with calls from unknown numbers. Another feature is its ability to record calls from select contacts. You can also manually select individual calls you want to record. You can tap a recording to play it back from within the phone app. They can also be played back from Google Drive if you sync recordings there. After recording a call, you can go into the phone app to share it. The recordings are sent as audio files. They can be shared with supported apps, such as Gmail or messaging apps. Google allows users to decide how long they want their call recordings saved. This is a nice feature for anyone who doesn't need old conversations cluttering up storage space. You can also choose whether or not you want audio files saved on your SD card. That can be useful if you're worried about storage space running out quickly. Boldbeast. This free and easy-to-use app lets you easily record phone calls. It allows you to set a password in order to access recordings as well. It also can record audio notes, lectures, meetings, and interviews. It will place a record button on your screen at the start of every call. Once you press the button, it will record until you press it again. With cloud support, you can back up all your recordings on Dropbox. You can also choose to store them on your phone's hard drive or SD card. Managing your recordings is important. You can organize your recordings into different sections of the app. You can also favorite the most important ones to put them in a special tab. Most recorders have some kind of ad that plays before playback. There are no ads of any kind in this free app. Call Recorder by ACR is a free tool that is quite advanced in its functionality. It allows you to record calls in both an automated and manual manner. It also helps you smartly sort your recorded files without requiring any effort from you whatsoever. The tool integrates very well with Google Drive and Dropbox to make cloud backup possible. Apart from this, you can also whitelist the contacts you want to automatically record when receiving or making a call. Automatically delete old voice recordings and password protect your recordings to prevent unauthorized access. The call recording itself can be done in multiple high-quality audio formats including MP3, M4A, FLAC, 3GP, and many more. Your recordings can also be transferred very easily from one device to another via mail or applications like Skype or WhatsApp.